You ever look at your bank account and think, where did all my money go? You're not alone. Most people work hard but never actually control their money. Their money controls them. But here's the truth. Mastering your finances isn't about being rich, it's about being smart. And in this video, I'll walk you through 7 practical steps to take control of your money, even if you're starting from zero. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to manage your income, crush your debt, start saving, and build wealth automatically, step by step. No complicated jargon, no boring lectures, just clear, simple actions you can start today. Step 1. Know where your money goes. Before you can fix your finances, you need to understand them. For 1 month, track every single expense. Yes, every coffee, every subscription, every snack. Use apps like Mint, YNAB, or even a simple spreadsheet. The goal isn't to judge yourself, it's to see where your money actually goes. You can't manage what you can't measure. Step 2. Create a simple budget. Now that you know your spending, it's time to control it. Forget complicated budgets. Just follow the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, rent, bills, food. 30% to wants, entertainment, travel. 20% to savings or debt payoff. You can adjust these numbers to fit your life, but always make sure you're saving something. Because saving isn't optional. It's your ticket to freedom. Step 3. Build an emergency fund. Life happens. Job loss, medical bills, car repairs. Without an emergency fund, one bad week can destroy your finances. Start small. Your first goal, $1,000. Then work your way up to 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Keep this money in a separate savings account, not where you can easily spend it. Think of it as your sleep better at night fund. Step 4. Crush your debt. Debt is like a hole that gets deeper every month. You can't build wealth until you climb out. List all your debts, the balance, and the interest rate. Then pick a strategy, debt. Snowball. Pay off the smallest debts first to build momentum. Debt avalanche. Pay off the highest interest debts first to save money long term. Whichever method you choose, stay consistent. Every extra dollar you throw at debt is a step toward freedom. Step 5. Automate your savings and bills. Automation is your secret weapon. Set up automatic transfers for savings, investments, and bill payments. This way, you're not relying on willpower. Your system does the work for you. You'll save more, miss fewer payments, and reduce stress. Remember, when money moves automatically, wealth builds quietly. Step 6. Start investing early. Investing isn't just for rich people. It's how regular people become rich. You don't need thousands to start. Even $50 a month can grow massively over time. Focus on index funds, ETFs, or retirement accounts like the 401k or Roth IRA. The earlier you start, the more compound interest works in your favor. Your future self will thank you for starting today. Step 7. Keep learning about money. Financial freedom isn't a destination, it's a mindset. Read books, watch videos, and follow creators who teach personal finance. The more you learn, the more confident you'll feel making smart money moves. Think of money management like fitness. You have to keep training the muscle. Let's talk about what not to do. Don't spend more just because you earn more. Don't ignore your credit score. It affects loans, rent, even jobs. Don't wait for the perfect time to start. The perfect time is now. 7-day action plan. Here's how to start strong this week. Day 1. Track every expense. Day 2. List all your income sources. Day 3. Create your 50-30-20 budget. Day 4. Open a separate savings account. Day 5. Pay off one small debt. Day 6. Set up automatic transfers. Day 7. Read or watch one thing that improves your money mindset. In just 7 days, you'll go from feeling lost to feeling in control. If you're serious about taking control of your money, start right now. Hit subscribe for weekly videos on budgeting, investing, and financial freedom. And comment below, which step are you starting with today? Remember, it's not about how much you make. It's about how much you keep and grow.